How to cancel your Mint mobile account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your Mint account from the Mint application. Then from here, what are we going to do is simply tap on the account icon right here. Then from here, simply tap on Auto Renewal and make sure to turn that off. So once you have turned off the auto renewal, you would need to now chat support to get your account number and then a pin to move your number elsewhere. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the support icon that you'll be able to see on the page just here. Then from there, you can actually get the option of contact us. Simply try to contact them and tell them to give your PIN and also like your account number. And after getting that PIN and account number here, once your current plan cycle has successfully been ended without any sort of renewal, the account will like close automatically. So you can get your PIN and account number into the different carrier service and tell them to activate your account through their carrier service. So yeah, that's all you need to do. Like I said, once your current plan cycle ends without renewal, the account will automatically get deleted. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know.